Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to pin a conversation on Google Messages app. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like. So let's begin. And here we are going to follow this Google Messages Help Center article. And this is how we can start messages or pin the conversations. Simply, you will be needing to go to your conversation and you will need to click or hold tab on your conversation. After that, you will find the pin tab or the pin option. And then let's just apply that on the application itself. So here we will need just to go to the messages app and then you will find your list of conversations that will be shown here. Now we need to simply hold click on it. Now you will find this 3 points icon and then you can find these options here. So we can either archive them, delete or pin. Now let's just click on pin and it will be always on the top of conversation. So let's just create a new chat and let's just do it like that. And here it has been created and still the one that we have pinned is on the top. Let's just unpin this one as an example. You will find that's the recent or the most recent conversation that will stay on the top. If you want to pin or unpin any conversation, you will need just to hold click on them and then you will need just to click on the pin icon as it's showing here and then you will be able to pin it. The same can be done for messages. You can start your messages by hold clicking on your messages. You will need just to access to your conversation and here you will find the list of your messages. You will need to hold tap on the message you want to start and then you will find the star icon or the star option. And then you will be able to always find your start messages by going to 3 points icon. And from here, you will find your start messages and you can access them anytime. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.